Don't let your business or a startup idea die simply because you don't have enough funding. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the best ways to secure enough money to kickstart your business. Hi guys, I'm Foster, your friendly neighborhood personal finance guide. As your business starts to operate, you may soon discover that there are more costs than anticipated, which might need additional money beyond what you have budgeted for. Worry not. The following ways are in no particular order, as I have ranked them according to the ease, terms and conditions. Option number 1. We are going to talk about self-funding or bootstrapping. We are going to like this because it doesn't require too much paperwork, and in most cases, the payback options are flexible. The first option or the first person to look at in this category is yourself. Look closely. What items can you sell to raise funds? Most of us have items lying around for years, which might sell off for cash. If you believe in your business idea or a cause, there is no reason why you can't draw from your income or salary. It also includes funds from friends, family members, and those people who are close to you. You may think it's difficult, but you have no idea how those people would want to contribute to a better cause. At the same time, investing. Ask around your friends, uncles, sisters, and brothers. Don't worry about the amount they will give you, because little drops make an ocean. How do you know if they will give you if you don't ask, right? Option number 2, we are going to talk about banks, credit institutions, and microfinance organizations. These institutions offer business loans through cash and credit overdraft. It is easy to get a loan from these institutions provided that you have a viable business plans, cash projections, and you also need to have an assurance that you are going to pay back the money as and when you agreed. In most cases, these assurances, they require collateral in form of tangible assets, as an example, title deeds. They hold on to this collateral in case you fail to meet the obligations. In case you don't know how to prepare business plans, cash projections, look for business consultants. They will be willing to help you. We are going also to talk about option 3, which includes angel investors and business angels. These are wealthy individuals who provide money to support promising business startups. The advantages of angel investors include continuous financial support, number 1, business guidance, number 2, since their mentorship is invaluable until your business sees the light of the day. They also facilitate through initiation process until the business starts to generate significant profits. You find that these people are always busy. Hence, if you are given the opportunity to present your case, be short and precise. Know your steps on your fingertips. Exude confidence. As a side note, let me tell you what happens 3 years back, my story. I wanted to launch my first greenhouse business idea. I was given 30 seconds to present my case. But before that, I was asked about my custom acquisition cost, and I was clueless. Suffice to say, I did not get the investment because I did not present it well. But it's a lesson well learned. Would you want to come across such a scenario? If not, know their language if you are going to pitch to them. It was a real and realistic story. Option number 4, raising money through crowdfunding. These are a large group of people who contribute various sums of money to business ideas in question. It is done through internet platform in most cases. This is rapidly now becoming a common practice, and it is considered one of the best sources of raising funds or capital to kickstart a business idea. But it includes a process. The process goes like, number 1, you visit a crowdfunding.com platform, for example, kickstart.com, gofundme.com. After that, you create an account in which you present yourself, your business details. Number 3, you have to introduce your idea. You have to make sure that your idea is precise and well articulated, and you wait. After a certain period of time, it may be 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week. People who are willing to contribute will contribute toward that business idea through funding, through sending money to your business account. Wait a minute. The advantages of raising money through crowdfunding is that you don't need to pay back the money. But you need to be honest, since your background will be scrutinized. You might also reach people who are willing to help for the greater good. They will get in touch, they will continuously give advice, and do your business become a success. Option number 5. We are going to talk about government grants. Government always have platforms that finance new business startups as a means to lessen economic unemployment and also to boost economic activities. These grants are awarded to worthy startups. They don't need to be paid back or accrue interest. They are being given for the greater good of the economy. All you need to find about these grants, you need to apply for them. You also need to know the rest of the process that determine the criteria. And in most cases, the selection criteria are: number 1, age group; number 2, background; number 3, disadvantaged individuals, because they might have a certain age group that they need to fund. They might also have people from different backgrounds that they need to fund. Those are disadvantaged, they also need to fund. What you need to do in order to come across this institution is that check local, provincial, and national government offices for updates. The process is easy because government would not want to tighten the regulations. However, here are other options to note that may apply to different areas. It depends with the location where you are. Venture capitalist. These are a form of private equity financing that provide by venture capital firms to startups at an early stage, emerging companies that have been deemed to have high growth returns. The most disadvantage about venture capitalists is that they need to fund companies that they believe will have a greater return. We are also going to talk about business incubation programs. A business incubation program might be a company or an individual that helps new and startup companies to develop by providing such service as management, training, and office space. They also have strong networking of influential people that act as an advantage to you. You may need to utilize these people. Another option to consider is entering competitions with the aim of winning the prize money. This is probably the hardest, as you have to be the best on the available participant, and also those competitors don't run so often. Whenever you have a business idea, you don't need to be afraid. If you manage to reach this point, thank you so much. It helps me to rank on YouTube. Please consider sharing this video with your friends. I wish you all the best in your business endeavors. Subscribe to keep in touch with more content like this. Until next time, goodbye.